Have you ever wondered how a mosquito bat works? Well, if you've not, then I've just got the right video for you, so hang on till the end and watch this video. In this video, I will be explaining to you how a mosquito bat works and how it looks from the inside. Here we go. So the basic principle behind this amazing instrument is the generation of high AC voltages. These AC voltages are then fed to this mesh you see over there, which is by the way made up of 3 layers, and whenever an insect like mosquitoes fly past through that mesh, they get electrocuted and eventually die. Now the mesh is made up of 3 layers, 2 on the outside and 1 inside. The inside one is basically the live one, and the 2 outside layers are basically used as neutrals or used as the return path of the current to complete the circuit. It's good that those outer layers are given so that, accidentally, if we tend to touch the inside part, we won't get shocked. We will be touching the outside first before even trying to reach to the inside. Coming to the inner part of the mosquito bat, we have a circuit board which has these amazing devices like transistors, capacitors, resistors, transformers, etc. And all of them are soldered together in a circuit board, which you will be getting to see in a few seconds. Now the transistor is utilized as a switch over here. This transistor helps in switching from DC voltage to AC voltage. And why DC voltage? It's because the power that the circuit gets is supplied from a battery, and batteries generally supply DC voltages rather than AC voltages. So after the transistor converts DC to AC, the AC needs to be converted to a higher level because the AC voltage that we get after the transistor converts it from the DC voltage is quite low, and it's not enough to stun insects. So we use the help of a transformer, in this case a step up transformer, which basically increases the voltage from a lower voltage to a higher voltage. And as I said at the start, a higher voltage is all that is needed to be supplied to the mesh, and boom, whenever an insect flies past through that mesh, it meets its deadly end. Okay, now coming to the circuit you see over there. It's amazing actually how they've managed all of this inside a bat kind of shape, which is handy to use and you can easily operate it. Just swing it like you're swinging a badminton racket, and boom, you'll get rid of all your troubles. Okay, so that's the on and off switch, the power switch basically. You have some resistors over there, and the black thing you see behind the LED, that's the transistor, and that's a push button. It's amazing, truly. That's the battery which powers the circuit board. The battery is, by the way, charged by a 2-pin plug which is fixed at the end. Okay, so I hope you understood a bit about how a mosquito bat works. It's very simple to understand, only that the circuit inside might look a bit complex, but if you're already familiar with the principles of transistors, capacitors, transformers, then this should be a piece of cake for you. So that's the wire which is fed with high voltage, and it carries the high voltage to the mesh over there. Boom. Okay, so I hope you just enjoyed this video, and if you've enjoyed, make sure you subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so that you can be excited to watch my video whenever I post a new one. Okay, signing off. Goodbye.